Hi guys, it's Anne, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a little project share. I am getting ready to mail this overdue because I've just been sitting on it. It's been down on my desk, but I had to do this video. I am participating in Crafty Chrislynn's birthday challenge. I'll leave all of the information down below. Fortunately, it's going to be ending soon, so if you can whip up something really quick, it's very simple. Memdex, an embelly box, and she had some extra credits if you could. And here's my little extra credit. Just this little KS Craft container. I love this thing. And I used carousel. And then in here, I just have some rosettes and some paper ruffles. I just cut them up in different sizes. This is a pastel pack. And then here is my little thing, my little container. I'll put that in here. Here's my card. I just did a very simple card. And then my embelly box. I had the strawberry paper left over, so I thought I'd just create something. This is like a resin piece that I had done. This was like a little strawberry thing that I had. Oh, I think a little thing fell off. I'm gonna have to stick something in there. And then I just did this beautiful ruffle trim that my friend, I think this is someone who gifted me this beautiful trim. And then in here is my embelly box, and I just included a bunch of little pretty things, some little pearl centers, some little heart rhinestones, this little flower, this is some pink and white roses, some little candy bits, some little felties, a bunch of charms that I laid down nicely but got tossed around. Little flower charms, bunch of little carousel themed charms, some butterfly charms, some hearts. Oh, and I even included this little bow one. I love this one. Some butterflies, and then this little candy resin thing. So that is my little embelly box. This is the inside. I just wanted to cover the glue on the other side. So maybe I should have decorated this, but this is the embelly. And then last but not least, my little Memdex that I did, which I haven't created one in a really long time. And I was very, very excited to put this together. Hold on one second, I just dropped it. This is the cute little bag that I'm putting it in. This was gifted to me by my friend Wanda, and I just love the way it peekabooed. And here is my Memdex card. It's a really pretty little shaker. I think this is Parasol, if I had to guess. I just have a ton of like scraps on my desk, so I wanted to use it. Anyways, I did a little bit of layering. Just a lot of little things. I have some ruffle like on the bottom. I have this like leaf ephemera, or this flower ephemera that's kind of peeking out. I have this little banner. I have this little tucked gold leaf. I have a whole bunch of like little flat layers. I have a little ruffle that I did on this bunny. I forgot which collection this bunny came from. I don't know. But this little thing, leave a little magic everywhere you go. And then I did a little, I punched a hole in the chipboard, like with my pokey tool. And then I added this tassel and this little jump ring of pink and like blue seed beads. I just love how that looked. And then I have like this little ruffly on the bottom. I used a lot of pretty sequins. And then I just added some enamel dots on the back, and that's it, you guys. It was kind of fun to do one of these. I haven't done one in a really long time, and I'm just hopeful that this makes it in time. I'm gonna get it packed up and mailed out by tomorrow, and hopefully Chrislynn loves my creations. I had fun enjoying preparing this together, and that's it for my video today, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.